So yesterday I decided to start printing this articulating rattlesnake. I had already recorded a video about this snake yesterday, but like an idiot, I accidentally deleted the draft. But I loaded it up into Kira and decided to make him chunky. It took almost 38 hours to complete the print, but it turned out really good. And here he is. As you can see, he came out pretty long. He's about 4 feet long. And he turned out great. And he has one more little trick up his sleeve. Snakes don't have sleeves. His tail even rattles. So if you want to see more big prints like this, make sure you like and follow for more.